Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Continuing my previous class, that is noun, today I am going to deal with gender. Well, first of all, let us understand what is a gender is. A gender is a word used to express sex of a noun in grammar. A word used to express sex of a noun in grammar is called gender. Here I have written noun only. It may be noun and pronoun too. Sometimes pronoun. So the word used to express sex of a noun or pronoun in grammar is called gender. According to old grammarian, there are three types of gender, but the modern grammarian tried to introduce one more gender, and according to them, the first one is masculine gender, that is male, feminine gender, that is female, common gender. This one has been introduced by the modern grammarians, and the last one is neuter gender. What are these? Masculine gender means male person, and the examples are boy, husband, ox, tiger. Here we have to remember one thing, that personified nouns expressing strength, toughness and superiority are masculine gender. For example, the sun, winter, death, storm, time, war, wind, thunder, ocean, fear and majesty. This type of words which show toughness, superiority, strength, etc. are considered to be of male sex, that is masculine gender. Then comes feminine gender, that is female. Example, girl, wife, cow, tigress, lioness, poetess, etc. Personified nouns denoting beauty, here like masculine gender, here too personified nouns denoting beauty, grace, gentleness, fertility and inferiority, that is softness. To sum all these, we may call it softness and inferiority are of feminine gender. For example, the moon, the earth, hope, nature, justice, mercy, peace, liberty, charity, autumn, fame, truth, beauty. Then comes common gender, which has been introduced by the modern grammarians. Here we make the gender which is common in sex. It may be either of the sex, that is, it may be male or female. This type of gender has been included in common gender, that is doctor, teacher, MLA, MP, minister, prime minister, president, child, patient, except parents, friends, enemy, bird, baby, etc. All these are of common gender. Next, the last one is neuter gender. It is neither male nor sex. Generally, it is of non-living thing. It includes lifeless things, that is chair, table, bench, bottle, phone, laptop, almirah, etc. Here one thing is to be remembered, collective nouns naming collection of living things. collective nouns naming collection of living things are of neutral gender. For example, crowd, class, army, team, herd, etc. Now, how these genders are formed? How the changes in the gender are made? That is, from how can we change masculine to feminine or feminine to masculine gender? There are certain rules, and that rules are to be followed. First one is using a new word. For example, horse, mare, bachelor, maid, boy, girl, brother, sister, wife, husband, buck, doe, bull, cow, colt, filly, drake, duck, father, mother, gentleman, lady, horse, mare, lord, lady, king, queen, sir, ma'am, son, daughter, master, miss, wizard, witch, in this way, etc. Then the second one is adding a word. Some new words are added here in this case. For example, landlord, landlady, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, buck, buck rabbit, doe rabbit, cock sparrow, hen sparrow, jack, ass, manservant, maidservant, god, godson, goddaughter, grandfather, grandmother, peacock, peahen, landlord, landlady. Then the third one is adding suffix es. Directly es is added here in this case. For example, poet, poetess, author, authoress, giant, giantess, host, hostess, lion, lioness, poet, poetess, mayor, mayoress, prince, princess, prophet, prophets, shepherd, shepherdess. Then the fourth one is adding ESS and deleting the last vowel. Here in the third one we simply added ESS, but here we are going to add ESS and deleting the last vowel of the main word. For example, conductor, conductress, actor, actress. O here OACTOR. This O is omitted and its female word is actress. 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 Similarly, tiger, tigress, waiter, waitress, porter, portress, instructor, instructress, director, directress, editor, editress, hunter, huntress, etc. Then the fifth one is adding ESS after deleting OR or ER. Here the last vowel, any last vowel was omitted, but here OR and ER, OR or ER is deleted. For example, emperor, empress. Mark the spelling of emperor. EMPEROR. ROR. Here it becomes EMPRESS. Empress. So ES is added after deleting OR or OER. Then murderer, murderess. Governor, governess. Then the last one is miscellaneous. For example, bridegroom, bride, don, donna, hero, heroine, lad, lass, mister, mistress, villain, vamp, widower, widow. This was regarding gender, and in my next class I shall be dealing with number. Thank you.